Hello friends, now we are doing standard 8, page number 15 of textbook. Presentation of rational numbers on the number line. Number line पर rational numbers को कैसे represent करते हैं? Right? Which are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3 and so on. So it starts from 1. On the left side of 1 there is no any number. All numbers are infinitely on the right side of 1. The line extends indefinitely into the right side of 1. Right? 1 के right side में indefinitely जा रहे हैं. Whole numbers 0 से start होंगे. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So there are indefinitely so many numbers, infinitely many numbers on the right side of 0 and no number on the left side of 0. The line extends indefinitely to the right but from 0. बराबर 0 के राइट पर जाती है. There are no numbers to the left of 0. 0 के लेफ्ट में कोई नंबर नहीं है. Then integers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Right? So negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 all are called integers. So it can be represented by like this -0 and positive, right? Then the line extends indefinitely on both sides, right? तो दोनों साइड जा रही है. ये लाइन एक ही साइड जा रही है 1 से, ये 0 से एक साइड जा रही है और इंटीजर्स भी दोनों साइड जा रही है. इंटीजर्स इट इज not going only on one side, it goes to both the sides. Same way rational numbers also. The line extends indefinitely on both sides, right? दोनों sides आ रही है. Do you see any numbers between -1 and 0? -1 और 0 के बीच में कोई नंबर दिख रहा है? और 0 के बीच में कोई दिख रहा है? Right? कोई भी दो इंटीजर के बीच में कोई नंबर दिख रहा है? इंटीजर्स में नहीं दिख रहा. Right? Then rational numbers. तो rational number में इंटीजर के बीच में कोई भी नंबर होगा. Like here, -1 and 0, -1/2 is here, and 0 and 1, 1/2 is here, right? Then 0 and 1 here, 1/3, 2/3, then here 3/3 is 1, right? तो हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि अगर 1/3 में चाहिए तो how many parts we have made? 1, 2 and 3, right? So this is first part, so it is 1/3. This is second part, so it is 2/3. And third part is 3/3, but that is on 1 itself, right? So the line extends indefinitely on both sides, right? दोनों साइड जा रही है. But you can now see numbers between -1 and 0. -1 और 0 के बीच में नंबर दिख रहा है और 0 के 1 में भी दिख रहा है, right? Again I am explaining presentation of rational numbers on the number line. Natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1 and only on the right side of 1, only going to the line will go on only one direction indefinitely, right? The line extends indefinitely only to the right side of 1, right? Then whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So they will start from 0 and line will go indefinitely to the right side of 0. There will be no any number on the left side of 0. The line extends indefinitely to the right but from 0 राइट साइड पर जाएगी, लेकिन कहाँ से जाएगी? 0 से जाएगी. There are no numbers to the left of 0. 0 के लेफ्ट में एक भी नंबर नहीं है. Then integers. Integers means -0 and positive numbers, negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 4 and so on. This side and so on. So line extend on the both sides, right? The line extends indefinitely on both sides. Do you see any number between -1 and 0? -1, 0 के बीच में कोई नंबर दिख रहा है? नहीं दिख रहा. 0 और 1 के बीच में दिख रहा है? नहीं दिख रहा, right? Now rational numbers. तो यहाँ पर आपको line will be going on the both sides. And here we can see any numbers between 0 and 1, 0 and -1, right? So 0 and -1. Here -1/2 is shown. Here 1/2 is shown between 0 and 1. Here we have made 3 parts between 0 and 1. So first one is 1/3, second one is 2/3, the line extends indefinitely on both sides, right? तो दोनों साइड indefinitely जा रही है, but you can now see numbers between -1 and 0 and 0 and 1, बराबर। यहाँ पर आपको -1 0 और 0 1 के बीच में नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं, ओके। तो आफ्टर दिस वी विल प्रोसीड अबाउट नंबर लाइन, बराबर। नंबर लाइन पर कैसे नंबर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, ओके, राइट। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ सपोज वी वांट टू represent these numbers on number line, then what we will do? First we are taking 7/3, right? So it can also be told that 2 3s are 6 plus 1/3, or what we can do, we will start from 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? This is 1/3, this is 2/3, 3/3, then 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, right? 3/3 is also called 1, 7/3, 6/3 is called 2. So after 6/3 means 2, 7/3 will come, right? So our required number is here 7/3, right? Then 7/8, suppose we want 7/8. Here we can see numerator is less than denominator, so it will be between 0 and 1. First we will write number 7/8. Then what we will do? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, then 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. 8/8 is what? 1, right? Like this. 3/3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it is 2. So 8/8 is what? 1, right? Our required number is 7/8. Okay, then suppose we want to represent 4/9, number 3, 4/9. Then we will put how many lines? How many lines we will do? Parts are we will do. In denominator there is 9, so between 0 and 9, 0 and 1, we will put 9 parts. Okay, 9 parts हम करेंगे between 0 and 1. So 0, 1, by 9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9, 6/9, 7/9, 8/9, and 9/9. 9/9 is what? This is 1, right? So between 0 and 1 we are making how many parts? 9 parts, and 9 part will be 1. Our required part is 4/9. Okay. Then -7/4. Number 4. -7/4. Here numerator is greater, so we can put it in mixed form, right? So 4 1s are 4 and 3. So after -1 it will come -1 and -2. We will start from 0, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, right? And upon 4 we want to upon 4. So below of all the numbers we will write 4 in the denominator. Okay. 8/4 we can call it -4. Okay. -4/4 is -1. So it comes between -1 and -2. Okay. These two are integers. Between these two, which is our number? This one is our number, -7/4. Okay. Again I am explaining. See, 7/3. 3 is 6 plus 1. So between 2 and 3 it will come. Right? See, here if we write 9 by 3. So this is number 3. Okay. So between 2 and 3, 7 by 3 comes. We will start with 0, then 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3, 9 by 3. 3 by 3 is 1, 3 to the 6, so 6 by 3 is what, 2. Then 9 by 3, 3 to the 9, so it is 3. Then 7 by 8, so 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, and 8 by 8. But which is required? 7 by 8. So this is in proper form or improper form. This is proper fraction, right? This is called improper fraction, right? Improper fraction can be converted into mixed form. This can't be converted into mixed form, right? So in denominator there is 8. So we will make 8 parts. Okay, 1 by 2 by 3 by 4 by 5 by 6 by 7 by and 8 by, and 7 by 8 is required. Then 4 by 9. So we will put 9 parts. 0, 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 6 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9, and 9 by 9. 9 by 9 is 1. And which is our required? 2 by 9. And minus 7 by 4. This is improper fraction, right? We will be converting into mix. Converting into mix is not necessary. This is just I am showing it, right? I सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ, तो जरूरी नहीं है. Then we will. It is negative, so we will start from 0 and going to the left side. 0, then minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4, and minus 8 by 4. Okay, 8 divided by 4 is minus 2, 4 divided by 4 is minus 1. Okay, minus 4 by 4 is minus 1. So between minus 4 by 4 and 8 by 4, our fraction minus 7 by 4 comes, right? You can see one integer 3 by 4, so third part 1, 2 by 3, right? By that way also we can see, but directly also we can write like this. Okay, after this we will do try this, and you all have to write down all this. I will check it. Okay, I will check it afterwards. So write down. Okay, standard. Now page number 17 we are going to try this. Okay, write the rational number for each point labeled with letter. Right, here we are given 0 by 5, then 2 by 5, 3 by 5. After between 0 and 2, what is 1? So A is 1 by 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 by 5. Or we can write 1. Right, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, then 9 by 5. Okay, so these are our required numbers. Okay, then minus 12 and minus 10, so minus 11 by 6, minus 9, then minus 8, 8 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, right? Then minus 5 by 6, then 4, then 3, then minus 2 by 6. Okay, like this we can write. Okay, then in your textbook, it is all these points are given. To find the number between any two given numbers, we need not necessarily get an integer, but there will always lie a rational number. That means कोई भी दो नंबर है उसके बीच का कोई नंबर हमें फाइंड करना है, तो जरूरी नहीं कि वो इंटीजर ही हो, it may be rational number, right? Fraction. तो कोई भी दो नंबर के बीच में इंटीजर ही हो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, रेशनल नंबर हो सकता है. If A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B by 2 is a rational number between A and B, right? Such that A less than A plus B by 2 less than B, right? कोई भी दो रेशनल नंबर है उसके बीच का अगर हमें रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करना है तो दोनों प्लस करो डिवाइड बाय 2 करो. So we can find infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers, right? By this formula we can say that between two rational numbers we can find infinitely many rational numbers. So again I am explaining this. Write the rational number for each point label with letter, right? So 0, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5, 11 by 5 and 12 by 5, right? Whichever are missing we can write. Then minus 12 by 6, minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6. मतलब क्या करना है, एक एक पढ़ते जाना है आगे. Minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, and then 0 by 6. Okay, 0 by 6. To find number between any two given numbers, right? कोई भी दो नंबर गिवन है उसमें उसके बीच का कोई नंबर हमें चाहिए. We need not necessarily get an integer. जरूरी नहीं कि दो नंबर के बीच वाला नंबर इंटीजर है, but there will always lie a rational number. तो दो इंटीजर के बीच में एक रेशनल नंबर आ सकता है, राइट? If a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b upon 2 is a rational number between a and b, right? a and b दोनों रेशनल नंबर है, तो दोनों के बीच का नंबर फाइंड करने के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला है? a plus b upon 2 such that a less than a plus b by 2 and less than b. मतलब a की वैल्यू जो है a plus b by 2 से छोटी होगी और a plus b by 2 की वैल्यू b से छोटी होगी. मतलब we can find infinitely many rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay, write down. You have to write all these things. Okay, write down. Okay, standard 8. Now we are doing exercise 1.2. But before that, one note we have to write that there are countless number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. If we are given two rational numbers, between them we will get countless rational numbers, right? मतलब बहुत सारे rational number दो rational number के बीच में मिलेंगे. Now we have to represent this on number line, right? 7 by 4. So we will start from 0, 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, then 7 by 4, 8 by 4, 9 by 4, 10 by 4, 11 by 4, 12 by 4. जहाँ तक लाइन ड्रॉ करती है वहाँ तक लिख दिए सारे. But we want to which one? This one, 7 by 4. Right? 4 by 4 is called 1, 8 by 4 is called 2, 12 by 4 is called 3. Right? Then second one is which one? Minus 5 by 6. This was improper fraction, now this is proper fraction. Because numerator is this. So we will write 0 on the right side. So 0, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 11 by 6, minus 12 by 6. So minus 6 by 6. That we have not written. Missed. 6 by 6, 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10, 11, and 12. Minus 12 by 6. Okay, we require 5 by 6. Right, minus 5 by 6 we require. So this is our required point. Right, minus 6 by 6 is which one? Minus 1. And minus 12 by 6 is minus 2. 6 to the 12. Right, and 6 1 are 6. then minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, all this we want. All negative points we want. So we will start from 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11. Okay, is 1. Minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, and minus 18. All below all this we have to write 11. Write 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. Then 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. Right, minus 11 by 11 is minus 1, but this is not required point. Whichever is required that we will circle it. Minus 9 by 11 is required, then minus 5 by 11 is required, and minus 2 by 11 is required. So giving them name L, M, N, then we can write LMN are required points. Answer L, M, N are required points. Required points on number line. Points on number line. यहाँ जगह नहीं थी इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा साथ साथ में लिख दिया है. ओके, तो आप लोग थोड़ा नीचे से लिख देना. एलिमेंट और रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट्स ऑन द नंबर लाइन राइट नंबर बिलो साइड हियर. ओके, अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. There are countless number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. कोई भी दो rational numbers है तो उसके बीच में बहुत सारे rational number हो सकते हैं. Then 7 by 4 we have to represent on the number line. So 0 से 12 तक हमने लिख दिया है. 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4, 9 by 4, 10 by 4, 11 by 4, 12 by 4, and 7 by 4 is our required number. 4 by 4 is called 1, 8 by 4 is called 2, and 12 by 4 is called 3. 4 1 is 4, here 4 is 8, and here 4 is 12. Then minus 5 by 6 we will do represent. We have started from 0 on the right side, then we are come to the left side. Okay, minus 1 से लेकर 12 तक लिखा है upon 6, and which is required. Minus 5 by 6 is required. Okay, then represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, and minus 9 by 11 of the number line. So 0 से यहाँ से start किया, सारे माइनस में चाहिए तो minus 1 से लेके हमने कहाँ से 0 से लेके minus 18 तक लिखा. तो इतना सारा लिखना जरूरी नहीं है, राइट. हमने 10 तक लिखा हो तो चलेगा. ओके, यहाँ पर भी 6 से तक लिखा हो तो चलेगा. इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू राइट द होल पेज. ओके, ये पूरा लिखना जरूरी नहीं है. आपको जितने पॉइंट्स रिक्वायर्ड है उससे एक दो ज़्यादा लिखना, राइट. तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो जरूरी नहीं है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं 7 8 से, राइट. एंड हियर ऑल्सो यहाँ पे ऐसे स्टार्ट करो तो भी चलेगा. 9 के बाद तो नंबर लिख दो. ओके, तो 0 से लेकर minus 18 तक लिखा, होल अपॉन 11, सबके अपॉन 11 लिखा. तो कौन सी चाहिए? minus 9 by 11 चाहिए, minus 5 by 11 चाहिए, और minus 2 by 11 जो भी चाहिए उसको ऊपर सर्कल कर दिया, नाम दे दिया एलिमेंट. देन वी हैव written what एलिमेंट आर रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट्स ऑन द नंबर लाइन, राइट. यहाँ तो एक ही पॉइंट चाहिए था इसलिए लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. यहाँ 3 पॉइंट आ गए इसलिए हमने उसको नाम दे दी एलिमेंट. ओके, देन वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके, राइट डाउन. Okay friends, now we are doing what? 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. तो 2 से छोटा कौन सा नंबर है? minus 3 by 2, that is root of integer 1 by 2. Then 1 then 0 minus half, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 numbers are over. Then answer number 4. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. What is LCM of 5 and 10? LCM of 5 and 2 is equal to 10. So we can write minus 2 by 5 is equal to minus 2 by 5. In denominator we have to bring 10. 5 to the, that is equal to minus 4 by 10. Right? And 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 multiply 5. So 5 by 10. So between minus 4 and 5, we don't have 10 numbers, so we will multiply it by 2. So minus 4 by 10 is equal to minus 4 by 10 multiply 2. Multiply 2, that is equal to minus 8 by 20. Same way here, 5 by 10 is equal to 5 by 10. 10 to the 10 to, so 10 by minus 20. 10 by 20. Right, so between 10 and minus 8, we have 10 rational numbers. Therefore, required 10 rational numbers are so minus 8 से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, and minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0, right, and 1 by 20. How many we have written? 5 plus 4 and 2 by 20. Right. So up to 9 we can write. Right. 9 से start करो तो कोई भी ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Right. We can write 10 numbers. Then find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Right. First one we are doing. Two by 3 and 4 by 5. Here again LCM is equal to 15. LCM is equal to 15. Therefore 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 5, 5. So 10 by 15. Then 4 by 5. So that is equal to 4 by 5. 5 threes are, so 12 by 15. Right, but between these two numbers, only one number is there, 11 by 15, and we want how many numbers? 5 rational numbers. So we will multiply this by 5, right? So 10 by 15 is equal to 10 by 15 into 5, that is equal to 50 by 75, and 12 by 15, that is equal to 12 by 15 into 5, so that is equal to 60 by 75. So between these two numbers we have how many numbers? 10 numbers, but we will write 5. So required 5 rational numbers are 51 by 75, 52 by 75, 53 by 75, 54 by 75, and 55 by 75. Right, then number 2, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. LCM is 6. LCM is equal to 6, so minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 3. Right, to make denominator 6, we will multiply by 3. Okay, so here 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 10 by 6. So minus 9 and 10. We will have 6 numbers. Therefore, require 5 rational numbers are minus 9 or 10. तो 1 से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, नो एनी 5 we can write. So 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. All these are between minus 9 and 10. Okay, third we will do in the next video. Okay, or you can do in homework. Okay, I am explaining again. Question 3, write 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. 2 से छोटे कौन से? 1 and half मतलब 3 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 0 and minus half. 0 के आगे क्या आएगा? माइनस में जाएगा. Okay, find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So LCM of 5 and 2, right? Denominator is 5 and 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So we have to bring 10 in the denominator. Okay, so minus 2 by 5. So 5 into 2, so 2 into 2, minus 4 by 10, 1 by 2, 2 into 5, so 1 by 1 into 5, so 5 by 10. So minus 4, between minus 4 and 5, we don't have 10 numbers. So we will multiply it by 2, right? In numerator, denominator, minus 4 by 10 into 2, minus 4 into 2, 10 into 2, minus 8 by 20. So 5 by 10 into 2. In numerator, denominator, so 10 by 20. So required 10 rational numbers. Between these two numbers, we will get 10 numbers. We start from minus 7, right? Before minus 8, minus 7 will come. So minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0, 1 by 20, and 2 by 20. Okay. So we can write it from 9 by 20, around 9 से भी चालू कर सकते हैं, right? जरूरी नहीं कि टू तक ही लिखे आप, but we want only 10, so we have written only 10. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So LCM is here 15. So to bring 15, we will multiply here by 5, right? So 3 5 are 2 5 are 10 by 15, 4 by 5. So 5 3s are 4 3s are, right? Here multiplied by 3. So here also it will be multiplied by 3. So 4 3s are 12. So 12 by 15. So 10 by 15, 12 by 15. But between them only one number is there, right? Which is that 11 by 15. So we will multiply by 5. So 50 by 2 75 and 12 by 15. So 12 into 5 and 15 into 5 is 60 upon 75. And between these two numbers, we will get how many numbers? 5 numbers we will get. So required 5 rational numbers are 51 by 75. Between 50 and 60, we have to write 51 by 75, 52 by 75, 53 by 75, 54 by 75, 55 by 75. Now, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. That we have to, between them, we have to find the 5 numbers. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, right? So here in denominator 2, we will multiply by 3 to make it 6. So here also it will be 3 minus 9 by 6, then 5 by 3, 3 to the 6. Okay, so again we will multiply by 2. So 10 by 6, 5 to the 3. So between minus 9 and 10, we will get 5 numbers. We can write any 5 numbers. So 1 by, we are getting out which? 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Understand? This we will do in the next, or you can do it homework. Okay? Write up and finish it.